Hi folks, welcome back. Today I want to share 5 everyday drinks that are supported by science to help reverse a fatty liver and promote overall good liver health. Now the great thing is that these drinks that I'm about to share are not some kind of obscure drink that are hard to find. These are drinks that you can readily get every day at your regular grocery store. Now, as a bonus, most of these drinks also offer additional health benefits, which I'll highlight as we go along. Now let's start with coffee, which has some of the strongest evidence behind it when it comes to liver health. Now, regular coffee intake helps lower liver enzymes, reduces inflammation, and decreases the risk of fibrosis and cirrhosis. Coffee contains special substances that help keep your liver healthy. One way it does this is by stopping certain proteins called CTGF and TGF beta from causing scars in your liver. Now, scars in your liver can make it difficult for the liver to function properly. The caffeine in coffee also blocks something called adenosine receptors, which are tiny proteins in the liver. Now, blocking adenosine receptors causes wakefulness and improved cognitive function. But more importantly to our discussion, this also reduces fibrosis. Now, liver fibrosis is the accumulation of scar tissue in the liver, a result of chronic damage and inflammation. Coffee is also rich in healthy antioxidants, especially those known as chlorogenic acids. Now, these antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage liver cells. A landmark study published in the Journal of Clinical and Experimental Hepatology found that consuming more than 2 cups of coffee daily was associated with a lower incidence of fibrosis and cirrhosis in patients with pre-existing liver disease. But the benefits of coffee go just beyond liver health. Coffee consumption is also associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, improved cognitive function, and protection against neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Second drink is green tea. Now, green tea has long been celebrated for its health benefits, but when it comes to liver health, especially in people with fatty liver disease, it offers some powerful support through 3 key mechanisms. First, green tea contains powerful compounds called catechins, particularly one named EGCG, which acts as a potent antioxidant. Now, these antioxidants help neutralize harmful molecules, as I mentioned earlier, known as free radicals. Now, left unchecked, these molecules cause oxidative stress, which damages liver cells and contributes to the progression of fatty liver disease. But that's not all. Green tea also helps calm inflammation in the liver. Now, I'm sure you're probably already aware that chronic inflammation is a major driver of liver damage in conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The catechins in green tea can suppress the activity of inflammatory pathways. Now, this helps reduce swelling and irritation in the liver tissue, making it easier for the liver to heal and function properly. Green tea also helps regulate how the body handles fat. Now, it has been shown to enhance the fat burning processes and reduce fat buildup in the liver. Now, as a side note, that's why many cultures tend to drink tea, especially green tea, after meals. Now, this is crucial because excess fat accumulation is the hallmark of fatty liver disease. By helping the liver break down and move fat more efficiently, green tea can actually improve liver function over time. Now, don't take my word for it. There's science that backs this up. A 2022 systematic review published in the journal Medicines analyzed both human and animal studies on the effects of green tea on fatty liver disease. The review found that the ECGC or green tea extract supplementation reduced body weight, adipose tissue deposits, and food intake. The next drink is beetroot juice, a very popular one. Now, beetroot juice is rich in antioxidants, nitrates, and unique phytonutrients, which provide numerous benefits that enhance liver function and promote overall well-being. One of the standout components in beetroot juice is one called betaine, a compound known for its ability to reduce liver fat accumulation and protect liver cells from damage. Betaine aids in a process called methylation, which is crucial for detoxifying the liver and maintaining proper function. Beetroot is also rich in nitrates that convert into nitric oxide, improving blood flow to the liver, which enhances oxygen and nutrient delivery while removing waste products more efficiently from the liver. Studies have shown that regular consumption of beetroot juice can lead to significant improvements in liver enzyme levels, indicating reduced inflammation and better liver function. For instance, a study published in Frontiers in Nutrition found that Participants with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease who consumed beetroot juice for 12 weeks experienced notable reductions in liver enzymes such as ALT and AST, which are markers of liver inflammation and damage. Now, a little bit more about this study. It involved 180 participants with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. They were divided into 4 groups: a control group, a Mediterranean diet group, a beetroot juice group, and a combined beetroot juice plus Mediterranean diet group. Following the study period, it was concluded that beetroot juice is more effective than Mediterranean diet alone for treating non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Now, interestingly, the combination of beetroot juice and the Mediterranean diet proved to be more effective than either beetroot juice alone or the Mediterranean diet used alone. So I guess a combination gives a synergistic effect. Now let's talk about a very simple yet effective drink for liver health: lemon water. Now, starting your day with warm lemon water can provide real benefits for your liver. The vitamin C in lemons helps boost production of glutathione, which is a critical antioxidant for liver detoxification processes. The citric acid in lemons also stimulates bile flow, which aids in fat digestion and waste removal. Lemon water has mild diuretic properties that help eliminate toxins through increased urine production. And as if that's not enough, the flavonoids in lemons, particularly hesperidin and diosmin, reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in liver tissue. Now, while human studies specifically on lemon water for fatty liver are limited, a 2019 study published in Scientific Reports showed that lemon polyphenols had beneficial effects on liver function in animal models. The citric acid in lemons has also been shown to have protective effects against oxidative damage in liver tissues. As a bonus, lemon water may also aid in digestion, help prevent kidney stones due to its citric acid content, and boost immunity through its vitamin C and antioxidants. Now let's talk about another delicious and vibrant drink that can support your liver health. I'm talking about hibiscus tea. Now in Ghana, where I come from, this is a very popular drink. It's as locally known as sobolo. Hibiscus tea is made from dried petals of the hibiscus flower and is known for its tart, cranberry-like flavor and deep red color. But beyond its taste, hibiscus tea has some impressive liver supporting properties. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins and polyphenols, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the liver. These antioxidants also have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation in the liver that can contribute to liver damage. Hibiscus extract has been shown to decrease liver steatosis, which is a condition that involves fat accumulation, fibrosis, and elevated liver enzymes, ALT and AST, in animal models of fatty liver disease. Research on hibiscus and liver health, although still emerging, is promising. A 2021 review published in the journal Phytotherapy Research compiled the evidence from animal and cell studies on hibiscus and liver health. The review concluded that hibiscus extract shows potential for preventing and treating fatty liver disease through its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and lipid-lowering effects. I must admit though that there are more human studies that are needed to confirm these benefits. But hibiscus tea isn't just good for your liver. Hibiscus has been shown to lower blood pressure in people with hypertension, likely due to its ability to relax blood vessels. It may also help to lower blood lipid levels and also has been associated with weight loss in some studies. Another bonus is that hibiscus tea is caffeine-free, making it an excellent option for those who are sensitive to caffeine or looking for a liver-supporting drink to enjoy in the evening. I sincerely hope you found some value in these videos. Let me know in the comments which of these drinks you're familiar with and which one you're going to try. As always, stay blessed and catch you on the next video.